Let's see how we can do the integration in these two instances. One instance is Dave 1D00562 and other instance is suppose Dave 86565. We'll check first how we can do the integration for incident. Okay, incident integration. We should have first a requirement. Okay, what is our requirement? You can say when we have created a new incident here. Okay, it should create an incident in this instance with what number will be auto number and you can say tool ticket number. You can say this this instance number. Okay, it will be, you can say, day 100,562 ticket number, right? Then we should map the short description, right, into short description, map the description. Okay, so these things we need to do, and we need to do in a vice versa as well. Okay, if they want to create the ticket, it will go here. There will be two ticket number which is at dev instance number. Okay, this integration we need to do. Okay, so to do integration means we are putting some external data into another system. So what is our standard rule? Our standard rule is to create the import set before inserting a data into the target table Servicenow table. So what we need to do, we need to create an import set in both the system. Okay, so and we need to share the visual of that import set to each other's instance. So create a visual for, you can say, in service. Now for the soap web service we need to go for the inbound web service. Inbound, just here we'll create. So this is nothing but a transform map, sorry, import set only. So here I will just write a tool okay, I will write a tool incident. So this is my table. Okay, import set table. I will copy from all the target fields in this import set table, and here I will select the target table as an incident, right? After this I will just click on create. It will automatically create the transform map as well. I will just put the create, but I forgot to create a new field which is what, tool ticket number. So see, I have created the import set. Okay, I have the rule business rule will run. Okay, I have auto matching. So it is now, you can say, transform as well created. I click on auto matching fields. It will auto match the fields with our target, right? But we need to put the coalesces on what? Coalesces on, you can say, number field, right? Which number field? Not the by default number field, the tool ticket number field. Okay, so what I need to do, first I will set choice action equal to ignore for all the mappings. As we know, this will only use for reference and choice. For others also, if you do that, it will not matter more. Okay, just click on ignore, go to next. So this also I will go and I will set. So tool ticket number, that I need to create a new field on the incident table first. So what I will do, I will go to tool ticket number. So I will go to the incident table first. So I need to add tool ticket number, form layout, tool ticket number. It should be staying fine. This number should present at the top at right side. Close. So tool ticket number. So same number should present in our import set as well. So in import set also we need to create this field, right? So our import set name is u underscore a underscore tool underscore incident. So I'll just go u underscore a underscore tool underscore incident. So let's see what is in transform map. Go configure all. This is also an import set, right? It's a table. It should have dictionary entry. So we'll go here. In dictionary entry, there are fields. Okay. So I will create a new field here of type string. Label tool ticket number, max length 40, and let's submit this. So we got the, in import set we got the tool ticket number, right? We need to create in where we need to create the same thing in transform map. We need to map that field, right? I'll go to this table. Here I click on transform map. This is the import set. So definitely I will get a transform map in the related list. So open this transform map. Here I need to create a new field mapping, that is nothing but new source field is red, tool ticket number should map to tool ticket number. Coalesce is equal to true and then submit it. So we are okay with this. You can say transform map now, right? So we have done, we have the transform import set now here. What is our import set is dot list. This is our import set. Okay. What is our, now if you see, go to inbound web service. So there is a user in this way. You can say just click on computer. Okay. So there is a you can say v underscore ws editor. This is the, you can say virtual table where we can see the list of, okay, this is only a one web service list, so we can have all the web services of all the tables. So we have, our table is a tool ticket or tool ticket incident. Okay, so same thing we need to do at this instance also. I will go to the incident. Okay, I will create new. So here I will right click, I'll configure form layout. So I will put here external ticket number. So little change, external ticket number. Add, save, close. In the same fashion, how we have created the inbound web service or import set, in the same fashion, we'll create here as well the inbound web service. Inbound web service means we are giving access for other to insert that data to this table. We are exposing the web service of this. So when someone sending the data to us, that is inbound for you. If you are sending data to others, that is outbound for you. So here just write what we have written there, the table name, that is a tool incident. So here I will write external tool incident. Okay, that's it. And copy fields from target. This time I already copied, created a field in the target, so we need to create again a field. So go to incident, create. So it will copy all the fields from target to this import set. Then we have transform map. In the transform map also we can do auto matching, and it create a transform map. So okay, this is the transform map. First I will save this. After that we have auto map matching fields. And you need to go to set coalesces or not the external ticket number. So if we are getting external ticket number from other source, okay, and it is present in our system, it should update the existing record. If it is, you can say not present, so it should create a record, right? So that's why we have put like a coalesces on external ticket number. So just see, there is the external ticket number. Matthew delivery number, incident state. This is external ticket number. For this we'll set coolest is equal to 2, right? After that, for choice action, for all the choice action we'll set, you can say ignore. And we don't want to create a new record for reference and choice, and we don't want to reject whole record because of this one field mistake. So standard way not to lose the data, right? So create should be ignore. Okay. After this, we are done with the configuration, initial configuration of a, what we say, initial configuration of the integration. So what should we do now? So we need to give the external tool ticket number web service to. So this is external tool ticket. If I click on this, so it should open the, and here a tool ticket it should open the input set, right? So this is the visual file. If you put external tool ticket, you can see the visual. You can change the visual also. It's the by default format. Okay. Here also we have visual. So next step is what? Use that visual to create a, you can say, to use that web service. So what we will do generally, suppose this instance, okay, this people, okay, they will do what? This visual file they will share with the A tool, and this A tool visual they will share with the these people. Okay, with visual we need to give some username and password also, right? So let's go and create username, user integration user, through which they can integrate with each other. Okay, so let's go and create integration user. Click on new. So I will write test first, test integration. So I will put the password test only. I will save this. Okay, the roles, what we need to give the roles for the integration, just edit role. I need to give the role. I can give the admin also. Generally, will not give the admin. Will give the role soap and rest first. Soap, and I will give rest as well. Okay, and I will give the incident to access the incident. I will give the ITL and ITL admin role. So this is what we can give the roles. This is a role, you can say test, and password is test. In the same fashion here, I will give user tool. I will write external tool. I'll put the password same. Tool. So I have given the tool as the password. I put the roles for this. I'll put the role, you can say, in the same message soap. To get the soap access, we should have soap role, and to get the soap contains other this, you can say, role. That's why I just put the soap and rest. And with that ITIL. So this user they can use to integrate with this instance, and that user, you can say, the test user, this tool will use to integrate with them, right? I just save this. Okay, this is done. Now we need to see, okay, this tool they should integrate with this. For to integrate with this tool should give the web service to first instance. So copy paste the result, make sure like this, they will get that. After getting the visual, what this tool will do, okay, they will go to, they will create and create a soap message to integrate. Using soap, we need to create a soap method. Just they will click on new, they will write okay, they will put external tool web service, they will external tool, they will put the visual, right? This is the visual, it's imported visual. Authentication time, they are using basic. Okay, just first they will save this. Let's save first. Authentication is basic, goes to basic auth profile. Here we need to create one profile with this user. What is the user we have here? It's a tool user, so I will create external, sorry, new. I will write external tool, username is tool, password tool, submit. Fine. So we have created the basic profile. After this, just save this. After saving the data, there is a generate soap message. So WSDL is what I told you. WSDL contains the information that which parameter they need, which function they need to call for the insert a new incident in this table, which parameter they need to send for the update. Okay. So what, to generate this soap message, click on generate sample soap message. Once you are done, you can see in the WSDL XML, you will get the data. And at the bottom, you can see these are the functions that we can use. For example, just click on insert. We are using insert function. So it's again an insert function. You need to go for the basic authentication. You need to again search a profile what you have created, external tool. Then we are not using mid server. This is just a SOAP message endpoint. And you can say these are the tags. These are the tags of what you can say. These are the tags for fields in that table. Okay, these things we need to send. Okay, for now just save this, and once you save this, there is one more option here. Click on test. We can test it. Okay, if I click on test, so we have set some coalesces at this tool, right? So we got the error, 500 error. So why we got the 500 error? You can say something insufficient rights. We don't have rights to do the operation. For which user? Tool user. So we need to go to this user and see why we don't have the access to do that. Okay, so we have SOAP role, we have ITL role, we have REST service role. In SOAP we have, so we need to give some other roles to that, this user. So we have ITL, given the ITL admin. So let's, there is a, you can say, load for transform map, import set loader and transform map. So this rule they should have. Just click on save. Okay, this soap message what we have is it's just for testing for whether everything is looks good or not. Okay, so according to example test, it does not looks good. So I will refresh again. I will go to test it again. Let's see what will happen. It got 200. Okay, we got 200, and see what we have. U underscore ticket number, yeah, we have created the record, but status unable to resolve a target record, coalesces value not present. So we should send a coalesces value, then only it will trigger something. Okay, we are just testing first. So just go for the coalesce here in the mapping. You can see underscore, not here. We need to search what U underscore ticket number. See tool ticket number. I will say here suppose q001. Let's see. And while doing this, I will save this. We need to test whether it's working fine or we are not directly using this till now. So rerun the test. So if you are doing that, you can see now Again 200 response, but now you can see we got the incident number, and this incident number maybe we can test here, okay, whether everything is working fine or not. So we are not giving admin access to the integration user. Okay, so this is a something we got it. Tool ticket number is this one. So it means it is working fine. Okay, at least the connection. Same thing you need to do here as well, right? Go to this, copy paste this visual, create a soap message again here, right? Soap message, click on new. So I will write a tool visual. I will put visual. So I will use basic authentication. First I will save this. As we know, there should be one more role we need to add. I will go to sys user. We have used the test. So I will add the role. I will add transform map. Load data. I will go to this. Okay, use the basic authentication. I will create a profile here as well. I will do here a tool profile. Username I will give the test. Password I will give the test. After I check whether we can generate a soap message here or not. If I click on, so it will create, it means it's working fine. Save this. In the same way, go for the testing. Go to insert function first. Here you need to again select the authentication type basic. Search here a tool credentials. Save this. And we need to test first whether it is working fine or not. Click on test. 200, fine, it is working. Coalesces, okay, fine, we are not sending them, that's okay. But 200 means success error. Okay, so this is how we have created the soap message here. Okay, now the thing is, now we got to know, okay, it's working, testing connection is okay. This is the first phase. Second phase is what? We need to write a code where we can send that data from our business role. If I create incident here, it should send the data to this instance, right? So what we will do then, first we will use this soap message, okay, in our business role. First thing, why we are using an insert function in import set to update the target record. Also we need to insert a record in import set. We never update the record in the import set, right? Because if you send a same coalesces value, so it will update the record. The transform map will take care about that. So for import set, we'll always insert a record, right? So what we will do, we'll go. So for this first, that before that, we need to go to soap message. We need to write some script, right, in the business. So that script also ServiceNow will give you. You can say by default they will give the script as well what we need to write. So to that we need to create the auto generate variables. So it will just see the message and it will create a variables for us. Click on auto generate variables. So if you see that there are, these are the variables now, and after that just click on preview script users. If you click on that, it will give you you can say a script which you can use to insert a record through SOAP message. Yes, I will copy paste this data. Okay, I'm copy pasting this data. Again, I will go to incident now. I will go to the incident table. So incident table, what I need to do, I need to send the data to this tool because I already created a SOAP message. SOAP message will take care to whom we need to send the data. What data we need to send, that we need to take care in this business tool. I just click on new. Here I will write send data. Come on. Send data to external tool. Click on advanced. It will be always after insert. Okay, and I will say when we need to do that, if the tool ticket number is empty, then only we should insert into there. If tool ticket number is not empty, it means we already integrated that record, right? So I will write tool ticket number is empty, then only go ahead, otherwise don't go. Okay, this can be, we can write in the script also. So I will go to advanced and I will write here, right? I will write if current dot u underscore tool ticket number. Just I will copy paste the field name here. Mm, so tool ticket number equal to empty, then only do this. So what we need to do, we need to go to our SOAP message, okay, and there we need to go for previous script use this, and I need to copy the script. So in try block, I just send one thing, copy paste same thing in the business, nothing else. So here there are a lot of matching. What we need, just will do that only. Okay, I will remove this stay, comments, business rule, knowledge, approval. I need a number. Okay, I don't need a number as well. Okay, I need a u underscore number which is there. I need a short description. So parent, I need a short description. Fine, I need a description as well. Just checking a description value. Assign to business rule, correlation. Come on. So we should have their external ticket number as well, right? Just go for number, respective number, no. Yeah, external ticket number, fine. So we'll remove other things. This is not required. I need a description only now. Yeah, there is a description. Fine. So these are the things. So on insert, I will not set number to them. Okay, I am sending u underscore external ticket number for them as, you can say, current dot number. We are sending this number to them. For short description, I am sending current dot description. Here I'm sending current dot short description, right? This is something we are sending today. Okay. Now, with that, we are not giving any credentials here because we already given the credential in the SOAP message. Here, just we are calling, and whatever we are getting a status, response body, and response, we will get here. So first, we'll see what type of response we'll get. So if you go to the SOAP message tag, you can say here, this is the response you will get. We got the 200, right? And if you see the response, you can see the response in this way. Okay, it escaped because we didn't send anything. So for now, I will just send one ticket number to them into, I would say, external ticket number. Yeah, external ticket number. So search external. Come on. Okay, just here write 1 2 3 4 and rerun the test. So we'll get a response in this format. We'll get a sys we'll get a display. In the display value, we have the incident number, right? So what first we'll see whether it is inserted correctly or not, right? These things we need to check. Okay. So for that, we'll get some response, right? So that response will just show in the gs.add_info message. For now, gs.add_info message will show here like status, right? Then we'll show response. So I will say this response body. Okay, we know this will come in the XML. So we have one syntax to just, you can say, parse the XML. So how to parse this XML? You can say we have a syntax to parse the XML is nothing but, okay, I will write the syntax here. Okay, I will write the syntax. You can say where suppose XML equal to new glide. Okay, glide utils, or we have XML document also. We have XML. Okay, we have XML document too. Okay, and in that we will send our response body. Here in XML, then where I can say incident underscore number equal to, I can write XML dot get node text. In the node we'll get a text. What is the node name where we can see the incident number? You can say it's a display name. No, it's a display value. So I will write display value and it is slash slash. So I will get this one. After this, I will give semicolon and again I will write gs.info. Here I will write external ticket number. External ticket number is, you can say, incident underscore number. Let's see how it will work. I will just save this. If it is not, you can say, we'll get some error if it is not going good. Okay, so let's go and create one incident here. So caller, I will put a xy something a, okay. Put description test from day 86565, description. Okay, and after this I will save this. Hope I saved the business rule right. There is a when to run after insert. Fine. I click on this. So if I do that, let's say what will happen. Okay, so it's 6. Okay, here we got the add info message instead of here. Okay, fine. So we got status 200. Fine. This is the response we got it. Incident number is INC86. External ticket number is null. It means what? Like we got the status. Status is 200. A response. In a response we got it. In the response body we got directly a sys-id. Okay, and incident number INC86 something. Okay, in inserted we got the incident number. Okay, response this we got it. External ticket number is we got it null. Incident number INC 0 something inserted, we got it something inserted. But you know what happened, see incident. Okay, full response we should display here. Okay, response body. Okay, instead of response body, response dot get body we have put in the same fashion. If you use a XML document only, it should work fine. Two ways you can send new API. So I'm using this only one, right? So let's do, and we are able to do that, right? So let's see again, retest once. Okay, click on create new, and I will put here first user. Mm. So what we'll do with that, we'll use this one. Whatever you are getting the incident number, what we will do in the current dot u underscore tool number equal to, we'll put this data, right? Whatever we are getting into what incident number, we'll put this data and we'll update that current dot update. It means what? If you get an external tool ticket number, just store into this tool ticket number, right? We have added one more line. So go to create new incident. It's loading. Okay, fine. Caller, you can say first user. Again, testing, short description. Same thing we'll write description, right? So I will save this. Let's save. Let's see what will happen. So you got this number. This number, if you see here and check, so we got this number also, right? So this is how we can do the integration with other tools. We got the number, right? Now same thing we need to do from this instance to that instance, right? So let's see how it will go. So if you see who is created, test integration user created this. Okay. So if I copy this and if I write incident dot list, and if you search here, there is a updated by test or created by test only. Okay. So we need to do one integration from here also. We need to send one data from here. Go to configure all again. So do the same thing here what we have done there, right? We have script privilege from here. So here we need to create we need to go to insert message. We are doing the same. Copy paste the script in the same manner what we have done there. Okay, go to the incident. Okay, we have already one business rule here. Click new, send data tool, advanced. I will put after insert. Okay, actions advanced. Here I will again check in the same fashion. What if current dot you underscore the field name? Okay, we need to check the field name not equal to empty. Then only we need to go. Sorry, equal to empty. Then only we need to go for this function. Okay, I will copy paste this what we have here, and let's say remove this. X control find what is a, you can say field name. Go to the incident new, right click on this, you underscore external ticket number, copy this, put here, right, equal to empty. Then only do this, remove this redundant one. We need just a number, number. Then we need description and short description. So we have short description, which should have external tool number, right, for them. So description we need tool ticket number, we need it. Okay, and other things we are not able, no need. So number colon, short description we can say current dot short underscore description. Here you can write current dot description, sorry, you underscore description, because oh sorry, not here, description only, sorry, because we are using a current, and here we use current dot you underscore external ticket number. Okay, same thing we'll do what we have done here in the business rule. So go to new record. After doing this, let's go and put the status code, and here external tool number I will write. This is why I'm getting the incident number. Okay, so save this, but now there is will be one problem. So see, this will run, okay, this will run always whenever there is a empty external ticket number. Okay, I think that is fine. Okay, we need to think about the update. Okay, so we'll just go, we'll create one more ticket here, and let's see how it will go. We got some sys ID, external tool number 4. Okay, something went wrong. Why it's happening? So if you see coalesces value not empty. Okay, maybe we did some mistake here. So in the short description, you're putting short description. Okay, here we should put the number, not the extra number, right? So you should put number because his number, this instance number will go as a tool ticket number to other instance, right? So advanced. Now we have done that. So go to again a new incident. But okay, so if it is external ticket number is empty, we should send on update as well. Okay. So what we will do in the when to run, I will put after update as well. And when it is external ticket number is empty, then only it is going to integrate. So that is fine. Saved, same incident, change the this something description and save this. Okay, so we got the external ticket number, but why we are not getting here? Same, I think we have copy paste that. That is the main problem when you are copy pasting the data. It's not u underscore, it's u underscore external. Fine, save this. Let's do it again. Save 10056. 10056 we got it. Why same? Because we are using a transform map there. To check how the data is coming there, you can do one thing. You can go to the table of import set. So what is the import set table? You can say this is our import set table. If I put here dot list, you can say which data is coming here. As it is, it will store here and it will show you, okay, how the data is coming and what is the state and all. So go for the number, state, let's say short description, target record, description, number. I'm not getting a number. I should get a ticket number, tool ticket number, and okay. So you can see here these things we got it. Okay, these are the tool ticket number. This is not inside, is not for the training. We got it, but it got rejected, right? So in the state we should see that, or stage. Okay, in the stage we should see what is happening in this way. So you can say this skipped, this is updated, this is inserted, right? 5 6. So this is how we can test. Okay, so we have done insert, that is totally fine. Now we need to think about the update as well, right? We need to update the record. So what I need to do that? So how the update will work? Okay, in update this should not be empty, right? So this is a if, I will write else. For example, I will copy the same stuff, okay, because we are doing the same thing. And I will just here, but this time what we are doing, we are sending a short description. We'll not put the external ticket. Okay, we'll put the external ticket number. This is how we can see whether they have our ticket number or not. Okay, and description, short description, we are sending that in else condition. Okay, but if that tool update, suppose this tool update the short description here, in that way it should not send the update to them. Okay, this ticket got the update from external tool, it should not send same update to them. For that what we need to do, if you go to the incident, okay, we'll come to know who created this, who updated this also, we'll able to see. So you can say here the tool updated this. Okay, so we will put one condition here, that is if current dot sys created, or we'll write sys updated by. Okay, we'll write this condition if current dot sys updated not equal to what tool. If it is not equal to tool, then that is fine, because these are updated by tool. If someone updated by same integration updated this incident, it should not go there. So that's why I have written not updated by tool. In the same fashion, I need to do at that side as well. Okay, I just save this. Let's do here as well. In where is the business rule? Okay, here. So not equal to test, and same thing we need to copy paste in else. We put same thing. Okay, status response fine. So why why Mm, we should have cache block. Okay, fine. We should have a cache block after this. Okay, this is else, this is if, fine. Okay, remove this space. I need copy paste try and catch block in else. It will fine now. Okay, I don't want this. Fine. Let's save this. Now see, update also should work. On the same incident, I will send the updated. I will change the description here. Sorry, description I will change, and I will just say save. It should update there. See, updated. So this is how we can do the integration from one instance to other. Here the main thing is that what we are not updating a record in the import set. We are always insert a record into import set to update the target table. What? By what? By sending the external ticket number same. Okay.